Namaskar, myself Rekha Sharma, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department Fashion and Interior from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. खूब खुश रहो बिटियाओं. Today is our subject is fashion business and the session name is Introduction to Fashion Industry. Prior to the mid 19th century, most clothing was custom made. It was handmade for individuals either as home production or an order from dressmakers and tailors. By the beginning of 20th century, with the rise of new technologies just like sewing machines, the rise of global capitalism and development of the factory system and production. Retail outlets such as department stores, clothing had increasingly come to be a mass produced in standard size, ready to for sale. Although the fashion industry developed first in Europe and America, presently it is an highly international globalized industry with clothing often designed in one country, manufactured in another country and sold worldwide. For example, an American fashion company might source fabric from China and have the clothes manufactured in Vietnam, finished in Italy and shipped to a warehouse in the United States for distribution to retail outlets internationally. The fashion industry has long been of the largest employers. However, due to increase in labor costs, it has moved from developed countries to developing, particularly China and African countries. किसी भी फैशन कंपनी में ये हो सकता है कि फैब्रिक किसी एक कंट्री से ख़रीदा गया हो, देन उसको मैन्युफैक्चर दूसरी कंट्री में किया गया हो एंड देन फिनिश और पैकिंग थर्ड कंट्री में की गई हो और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन उसको इंटरनेशनली किया जाएगा. ये कुछ रीज़न्स पे डिपेंड करता है क्योंकि कहीं पे मैन पावर बहुत रीज़नेबल प्राइसेस पे, कुछ कंट्रीज़ में मैन पावर बहुत रीज़नेबल प्राइसेस पे मिल जाती है, तो कुछ कंट्रीज़ में हैंडमेड जो रॉ मटेरियल्स होते हैं वो बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. इसलिए जो प्रोसेस है किसी भी गारमेंट को रेडी करने का वो बहुत सारे कंट्रीज़ में भी बाय स्टेप चेंज हो सकता है. ऑक्यूपेशन. Fashion industry employs people across occupation from skilled labor to fashion designers, computer programmers, lawyers, accountants, copywriters, social media directors and project managers. Manufacturing is only a fraction of the modern fashion industry as it is a highly sophisticated industry involving fashion and market research, brand licensing, intellectual property rights, design materials, engineering, product manufacturing, marketing and finally distribution for selling. Global fashion industry. The global fashion industry is dependent on ever the changing trends that keep consumers driven by the need to wear the latest. As we know, fashion will be changed very quickly. However, this means that goods have a short shelf life, requiring manufacturers, designers and retailers to meet tight production schedules and distribution deadlines. This also gives trendsetters such as celebrities key roles in successful marketing and promotions in a global marketplace. The fashion industry is highly competitive, though manufacturing is carried out in developing countries of Asia and Africa due to cheap labor. China is claiming a majority stake by offering quality goods at very cheaper prices. The fashion industry is no longer solely dependent on retail stores for sales. Due increase in opportunities for retail sales through e-commerce, uh, which allows buyers to shop and purchase online. Marketing and promotion also expanding with the growth of such media trends as social networking and use of technologies such as mobile devices and smartphone applications, which allow for shopping anywhere. Product branding is an important part of gaining recognition and customer loyalty. This segment of the market, promoted by designers and fashion models, is among the most visible. It also presents greater challenges for lesser known product lines. In our next session, we read about fashion, environment, and their types. Thank you.